Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Q&A. This episode is a very quick episode I am making. This episode based on a question from one subscriber of my channel, Surbi, who was asking that how to get an internship. And this is not the question of Surbi, and this is the question of all the undergraduates who are in the electrical and EC domain. And in this video, I'm going to show you that without any personal connection, how you can apply to the internship. And many of you have a misconception that all the companies have to come to your campus and take you as an internship. No, this is not the right concept. And here I'm going to show you how you can get your internship. So today I'll use my LinkedIn account to show you how you can search for the internship position. So here I have clicked on the jobs tab. Here there are several tabs. So once you log in, you will be initially in the home tab, and you can navigate to the jobs tab by clicking here. So I'm in the jobs tab. Here I will search for analog design. Now you can see that so many jobs have opened. Now how you can go to the internship? Now here if you go in the job type, there are several filters are here. These are filter tabs, and if you go in the job type, you will find one particular checkbox for internship. Now if I click it and I apply this filter, let us see what happens. So you can see here in today's date, it is showing a lot of internship positions. And LinkedIn, why I am choosing this example, because in LinkedIn you can find various internship from multiple companies. Here you can see that a lot of companies are there. And one more thing here, if you have your CV ready or the resume or your biodata ready, you can directly use the LinkedIn Easy Apply. It is very easy. Just if you click and you attach your resume and you go on. Okay, I'm canceling it because I am not applying. Discard. And this is a very good and easy method of applying to LinkedIn positions. This is very good option. And in case there is no such option, if you click on the apply, it will take you to the company's respective website, and there you have to create a login ID and password and apply. So these are the basic things that you have to do. So you cannot skip all these steps and just have a shortcut to get into a position of internship. Now you can see here there are several companies, like here it is Seagate, the next is Global Foundries. There are lots of companies are here. You can search. Now if I change the search term here, analog design to digital design, this is another key factor, that whatever search term you are giving, so you must be very much aware in which field you want to work. So in case you do not know that, I have also created a video on that in the Q&A track. I'll give the link in the description, so you can go from there. Now here if you go, you can see that once I change the keyword from analog to digital, you can see here lot of various new positions are coming here. So you can see here Synopsys is there, SK Hynix is there, and a lot of other companies are here. So now if I change the keyword again to memory design, so now again more other options are coming. So this keyword thing is very important. So when you are searching with a particular keyword, your head must be very clear that which keywords I need to apply, in which domain I need to apply. For that, you need to list out the keywords first before hitting your search engine. This will help you to get into the right position. So you can see that lot of internship positions are open and you can apply to them. So guys, this is a short video, and here I will conclude here. When you are applying to lot of positions, generally your expectation is that every position I am applying, it will give me a return, or people will call back or come back to me. When you apply to a position, you think from another angle that when you are applying to a position, that position must be filled up with lots of CVs. So the HR or the hiring hiring manager for that post has to also scrutinize once there is a sufficient amount of CV has been gathered. Now, if you are expecting that I am applying today and the tomorrow I'll get a call, it's a very too much optimistic thinking. And you must not be very much pessimistic also, that okay, I'm applying and not getting, so that I'll not get anything. So this pessimistic and optimistic thoughts are kind of digital electronics. Either you at one state or zero state. So just change your thought into an analog one, which is a realistic one. Okay, if I am applying to 100 attempts, the 5% will come back to me. So this is a kind of thumb rule when you apply to any position over the internet across any job site. Now this 5% may be spread over the entire time when you are applying. This may come back, or at some point concentrated, this 5% may come back to you. So you must be ready to face those all interviews and all, so that you get the right position, you and the hiring manager, they gel with in a right direction. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.